at 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying.
Hey friends, it's Evelise J, IVELISSE, and I'm back with another freaking video. Now, before we do anything, before we go any further, before you start actually watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you at it, you could just go watch my other videos. Y'all, so I literally just woke up. This is how I'm looking. I'm not gonna do a long intro at all because I look terrible, so we're just gonna get right to the point. So as y'all can see from the title of this video, as y'all can see from the thumbnail, as y'all can see from, I'm pretty sure the little like sneak peek clip that played right before the little Evelise shit. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But this is gonna be a maintenance transformation. I'm not gonna say transformation. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna put that in the title, but it's nothing major. I'm just gonna do my hair and my nails, probably my toes. Tomorrow's my birthday, so we're just gonna make this look better. So like I said, I'm not gonna make this long at all because I look bad. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Hair, nails, eyebrows, and whatever else pops up.
If you want your purchase. Oh baby, you be lying your verses. I be in, say you buying them purses. I can't even lie, you ain't my type. You ain't even know that fine in person. I can guarantee you if you my kind, she got every bag you can imagine. Big house, I can really be bragging. 100,000 in my mouth, like what's that? And not the big cheat. See, that's embarrassing. He ain't me, you can keep the comparison. My bitch probably one of the baddest. Good girl, turning into a savage. This bitch got a problem in savage. We came doing matching G-Wagons, low-key. I been keeping it classy. Could be really out here doing them nasty. Niggas couldn't even see me in last year. Just started and them niggas in last year. I ain't even tried to.
I really do hate when my hair is like this. I be looking like a whole like egg. But I'm just gonna show y'all what I got real quick. I went to the hair store and then I went to Dollar General. So I'm gonna just do like a little quick what's in my bag. Let me show y'all. Whatever. So I ended up getting shampoo and conditioner. Y'all know this is the one I use. This is my favorite. I don't know why. Like, it's just the only shampoo and conditioner that like doesn't irritate my scalp. Y'all know I have a bad scalp. But it just like cleans it the way it's supposed to clean it without like stripping any oils from my hair too much. So I got that. I bought a new toothbrush. I didn't really need a new toothbrush. I just switched my toothbrush out. But this one was pink. And right now the one I have is purple. But y'all know like I really like pink. And I got these little like floss thingies because I needed some more. I also got like these like cheap razors because I need to shave my legs and my underarms. I said I was going to go back to waxing my underarms. But it just takes so long. Like waiting for everything to heat up. Waiting for all that. Just for like 2 seconds. I think I'm gonna end up getting like, y'all know the like electrical, like one that you just roll and then put the paper and then rip it off like that. I think I'm just gonna get that one because like I said, the process of waiting for the wax to heat up and then trying to get it to the right temperature, that's just too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna shave my underarms and my legs, get it over with. So I need to do my eyebrows. So from the hair store, I just got a little eyebrow blade. This is how I do my eyebrows all the time. I usually just like clean them up because the shape, I really like the shape, so I usually just clean them up with this. I needed a new brush, so I ended up just getting this one. I really don't like the color, but that was going to be the difference between like me getting it or not. But I really needed it, so I'm like, let me just get it. This is my favorite thing that I got, y'all. This is my edge brush. It's golden. It was like $1.99, and I needed a new one because as y'all seen, I dyed my hair with my old one. So yeah, this is, like I said, my favorite thing that I bought today. So right now I'm about to wash my hair. Like I said, I'm home and I'm about to like start this video like for real. In the beginning, it was just like little stuff that didn't really matter. But I'm gonna show you how my hair is looking right now. I showed y'all this morning, but this is what we're working with right now. I just gotta untangle it and yeah, just wash it. I'm probably gonna bring y'all with me to wash my hair today because the last 2 videos that I like did a like hair video or like wash my hair, whatever, I just took like old clips from another video. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna stop talking. We're about to go do that now.
Try to when I pass from giving looks, I contribute to fashion, drop a song, I be giving them cash, stand alone, I should ready to rap. Brand new car is noisy, come through when it's roaring, you ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend, see me ain't getting nervous, I damn near did it perfect, work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it, none of you guys can flash me, matter of fact, none of you guys get high as me. Whoa. Post just so they can see. Turn me on some more so my haters can hear. I put it over in the back of the car and I tell her to go. She when she lands, she bring.
Alright y'all, so I just finished washing my hair. This is where I am. The front dried so fast, like the bottom is still, y'all see it, it's still like dripping or whatever. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. In the meantime, I have a couple other things to do. I think I'm gonna just, might as well have y'all watch me do them. I have to put my clothes away. I don't think y'all gonna watch like all of that, or maybe I will, I don't know. But I gotta put my clothes away. I also gotta go wash my car, clean my car in the inside and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that while my hair air dries. And like I said, y'all just gonna watch me. All right, y'all. So this is what my hair is looking like. It dried up almost completely. It's just like a little bit of the inside that's like a little damp. It's not even wet, it's just damp. I decided to change my mind about showing y'all me like doing laundry and cleaning my car. I feel like y'all didn't come here for that. That's like a daily vlog type of thing. That's not like a maintenance, let's get ready for my birthday type of video. But right now I'm about to, I don't know, I probably blow dry my hair and then start on my eyebrows and my mustache. So I decided I wasn't gonna buy any nails. Like I wasn't gonna get any press on nails because I don't even feel like it's worth the like trouble of like putting them on just for them to pop off and then like my nail gets stuck, y'all know, like with the glue residue looking ugly. So I don't even feel like it's worth it. I'm really gonna like just give myself a little quick manicure, cut them down, clean my cuticles, put some oil, stuff like that. I just feel like that makes more sense to me. Some of my nails broke off, so it's gonna look kind of ugly, but I feel like that's needed. Like I need to even out my nails because if y'all see, like one is like really long, one is like really short, and like I said, like they just need to get done. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just give myself a little manicure, probably give myself a little pedicure, and just like call it a day. I probably won't do a pedicure, honestly. I probably will, I don't know. I just be thinking about like things as I go, and then it just like comes up, so I'll be like, might as well do this. So yeah, that's where we're at so far. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I think I want to wear my hair straight, only because I haven't worn my hair straight in so long. Like usually when I do my hair, I always like curl the ends, but I think I'm gonna do it like that. I think I'm gonna end up doing it straight, and I don't know, that gives like sophisticated, and that's how I want to look tomorrow. I'm gonna be 24. A lot of people get surprised when I say my age, but yeah, I feel like when my hair is straight, I look older, I look more sophisticated. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. I really think this is the last scene that I'm filming in my room. That's why I'm like trying to get everything out the way, get everything I have to say out the way, because the sun is going down. And y'all already know, I've said this plenty of times, once the sun goes down, the lighting in my room looks terrible. So I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows in here and then like do my hair and stuff like that in the bathroom. So yeah. So for my eyebrows, y'all know what I do. I usually get like an unscented lotion, a fragrance-free lotion. I put them on my eyebrows because I don't like to like shave them dry. I don't know. Every time I shave them dry, it ends up like pulling skin, ripping skin. I start bleeding and stuff like that. I'm gonna use this eyebrow blade, and I had to make sure it was closed. But yeah, I usually just go in and like shape them up. I don't really change the shape. Y'all gonna see, but I just wanna like explain this just in case anybody wants to do like a maintenance from home, let me like set up for my birthday from home like this video is. I don't know where my eyebrow thing is, so we're just gonna use my little edge brush just to like brush the hairs in place, cut them, trim them, whatever. So yeah, we're about to do that right now, and then like I said, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and get my hair done.
Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys can flash me. Matter of fact, none of you guys can catch me. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me on some more so my haters can hear. I put it over in the back of the car and I tell her to go. She when she lands, she bring the band, she back on the road. She know how I get when I get in that mode. Ain't fucking with bitches, ain't buying no clothes. Only do shows and make me some songs. When she there, then she come and get sold. We fuck with these groupers cause we play with phones. We play with our money and not what I know. I used to go to the west to get lost. I just came back from the west with a trophy. I'm on the motion. She said she missing and sending emojis. No time to kick it on my way to motion. Can't say I miss you, I don't got emotions. I'm on that back when I step on the floor shit. I'm on that me and the broken Kadoshi. I'm on that back when I stood at this toe shit. Ain't going broke, I'm just back on my old shit. I'm taking drugs, I don't know how to cope it. I know one thing, I'm never gonna be hopeless. If you tell them what was said, you were rolling. Start a new car, feel like it's stolen, yeah. Brand new car is noisy. Come through when it's hard. I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's safe to say I earned it. Yeah. None of you guys can flash me. Matter of fact, none of you guys can hide me. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Brand new car is noisy. Come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry. Don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous. I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys can flash me. Matter of fact, none of you guys can hide me. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to...
Alright y'all, so I just finished blow drying my hair. I feel like it looks really good. I still gotta pass the flat iron to it. But I took my time a little bit more, not too much, because I know it's going to be straight, so I didn't want to like take too much time with the flat iron. I think I got to pass it probably like 2 times, like for real. I took out majority of like the ridges. Up here, it didn't take the little blow dryer brush at all, so I got to make sure like when I use the flat iron, I get that like really, really flat. But right now, I'm about to flat iron my hair. Y'all about to see that. I just wanted to let y'all know. This probably took about like 20 minutes, and like I said, I'm really happy with how it looks. I'm really happy with how soft it is, so yeah.
Yeah, that's your P, turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push your P.
Cop new hammers, fuck my P, we don't want no peace.
Got a spot across the spot, just for peace.
Drop the data, never reply, inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push your P,
Push your P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
push your P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze if she need, cause she keep a P.
Private speak, privacy, bitch I'm pushing P.
Purple paint, piece of paint, bitch I'm pushing P.
Push your P,
Push your P,
push your P,
push your P,
yeah. Push your P,
push your P,
push your P,
push your P.
yeah.
Pop a P, a paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. That rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push your P,
push your P,
push your P,
push your P.
yeah.
I just got a bunch of P, and I'm trying to prove, okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push your P, 3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push your P,
I just fucked a cup of water.
Alright y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like. I just finished it. I just finished taking a couple pictures. I'm gonna put them right here so y'all can see. My phone fell, but it's giving what I said. It's giving like grown, sophisticated, whatever. The red, I like how it kind of darkened from before I washed it. Like before I washed it, it was like red. Now it's like a more subtle red. But that's about it for the day. I did my eyebrows, I did my hair. I can't stop touching it. It's like so soft. I made a TikTok, so if y'all want to watch that, it's gonna be, my name is gonna be somewhere on the screen. I probably continue this vlog tomorrow, so it's gonna be like a, well, I'm not gonna do a birthday vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna continue it tomorrow. Y'all gonna see my outfit. Y'all gonna see me do my nails and whatever else I decide to do. So yeah.
A P, not a pill of Porsche. Push your P, 3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
push your P,
I just fucked a cup of water. Cause you P, red band, and a card. I'ma give you out your...
Good morning, y'all. So as y'all can see, today's the next day. Today's my birthday. I just wanted to come show y'all my hair, show y'all my eyebrows. Like, I showed y'all yesterday, but I came to show y'all today. I'm about to do my nails. Like, I'm about to just like give myself a little quick manicure. I'm not gonna do no polish or nothing like that. So that's gonna be the last clip of this video. But yeah, that's about it. I'm very simple. I don't do much. This is considered like going all out to me because I never really have my hair straight. I always wear it in a ponytail. So yeah, doing my nails, I never really get a chance to like actually go in and do my nails. So like I said, that's something different. My eyebrows, I do them like every 2 weeks or whatever. So this is like a transformation to me because usually I just go about my day. Like, I don't even worry. I just, like I said, always have my hair up. And yeah, I really just came to end off the video because I'm not really gonna talk anymore. After I do my nails, I'm gonna like start getting ready and like enjoy my birthday, so I don't really want to record anymore. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this or whatever I have coming up on my channel, make sure you turn your post notifications on so you know every time I post.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick, right around the slap, you know the thing I'm throwing fit, right around the world. Feel it in my chest and I